Hello. We have an exciting day ahead of us because we have a special guest coming to our workshop. He is also our client, an athlete who performs acrobatic stunts on a motorcycle, and a person who spreads the name of Lithuania all over the world because he is better known abroad than in his home country. He is a stunt rider, Aras Freestyle. How are you? Good, thanks. I bought a new minivan and thought, why not give it rust protection coating? Well, this is the best solution, I think. We're ready, so we can get to work. Fair enough. I just have some extra weight I'd like to unload.
Everywhere I go, the people really want to know who I is and who I be. They stop and stare when they see me. If I said it once, no need to repeat. Run up on me, watch you fall to your knees. Tip my hat when it's time for the kill. Ain't no peace when you really real. I am the boss, I am the dawn. I am the one they call Lucky Charm. Got my own shit, I don't need your farm. Life was so hard, it made me weak. Built to last, this girl ain't weak. Sturdy and still when I plant my feet. Got it out the mud, now it's back to my sleep. Look to God, he supplies my needs. Endless faith is what brought me next level prosperity. Silent power moves is what I'm giving. They love to hate the world they can't live in. Always present for the high roads. Go swim within the deep lows. What told the future? Who knows? I don't do it for the likes, I do it for the love. Do it for the ones who really need a hug, cause they had it tough, never had enough. Feared, loved, and respected. Using words as a weapon. Test and she. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon.
You have announced your home tour through Lithuania. Can we still see you perform this year? Absolutely. The next biggest event will be on the 3rd of September, and it will be in the capital of Lithuania. Even a Formula One car from Austria is coming. It's going to be an awesome event. I will aim for the world record, and there will be 3 other riders with me. There will also be 4 drifters. I'm really looking forward to the event. We're all working hard to get ready, so don't miss it because it's going to be sick. What's new in the stunt riding world, and what are you focused on today? There's actually a lot of new stuff going on, like switching a bike, specifically mine as a stunt rider. It's a very big challenge, since I will be riding KTM bikes from next year. So now we're in the process of looking for parts and finding partners who can make those parts. Because it is a completely new model and no one has made any stunt riding parts for it yet. That's where my focus is. In general, the focus is on training and, I'd say, social media and video production. Why did you decide to switch brands? I actually rode Kawasaki all my life, the last 12 years, but they weren't my sponsor. I just rode them because I liked the bike. But it was time for something new, a change, an improvement, just to try something new. So I got an offer from the KTM factory to become their ambassador and start a new season with brand new bikes. Of course, I couldn't resist and agreed. It was my old dream to partner up with the factory and ride their motorcycles. Well, it came true. And now I'm actually trying to get ready and train. But everything is very fresh, so I can't tell you much yet, because I don't know much myself. But I'm very impressed, surprised, and very satisfied so far. Got it. So we'll be seeing you testing KTM equipment in the future? Absolutely. There will definitely be more orange color in my life. What do you think is the future of stunt riding in Lithuania? The future is bright, I think. Since my colleagues are from Utena, they organize free stunt riding training and have a device for teaching back wheelies. It attracts quite a lot of interest, and many young people come to free training with scooters. They learn to do back wheelies and all sorts of tricks. This is very cool and gratifying, and I think in a few years, the more high-level youngsters will join us on the big bikes. And maybe we can even invite them on a home tour and do shows together. As we speak, the rust protection works are coming to an end. I wanted to ask you about your minivan. Did you buy it more for work or travel? It's actually both. I use it for everything, carrying bikes and traveling with the family. It's not fully equipped yet. We will work on it in the Takata workshop in the winter, where we plan to turn it into a camper so I can use it for traveling with my family and also carrying bikes. I drive about 40 to 60,000 kilometers a year in it. This is my primary means of transportation. I don't even really have a car. I always go everywhere, either in a bus or on a bike. Since you do so much mileage on this vehicle, I invite you to come back to our anti-corrosion center next year for a recoat. Great! I'll definitely be back.